Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the YouTube channel of the biggest names in the world sports, Cristiano Ronaldo. CR7 has not only dominated on the pitch but also made his presence felt on social media, including his YouTube channel. So we are going to take a closer look at his channel, its content, and what you can expect if you decide to hit that subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. So if you want to come to his channel, then you just have to simply launch your YouTube app and search for Cristiano Ronaldo. Then you will be able to see the name that would say ur.cristiano, which is the official YouTube channel of Cristiano Ronaldo. So on this channel, Cristiano's YouTube videos has over 42.4 million subscribers. So you will find the content featuring his intense workout, match highlights, family moments, collaborations with other athletes and celebrities. It's a mix of vlogs and professional content. So here is what you can expect from his channel. So you will get a glimpse of the work it takes to stay at the top, locker room moments, post match celebrations, and more. A personal look at Ronaldo's life outside football, fun challenges, and workout with other stars. So his videos are of a very high quality with professional editing, though some vlogs have a more casual and personal touch. So this balance makes the channel feel more authentic yet polished. So should you subscribe? So if you are Ronaldo fan or love fitness, football, and lifestyle content, this channel is worth your time. So you get to see the man behind the legend on and off the fields. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and more this type of content. Catch you in the next video. Till then, bye.